Boetapele ba naha ena le ba mekgatlo ya selekane sa mahatammoho ba hlalositse Duarte e ne le mosebeletsi ya setjhaba ya neng a ena le boitelo ka dinako tsohle mosebetsing o a neng a o fuwa.
At this point, when the African National Congress is to travail the National Policy Conference and the coming elective conference in December, Comrade Jessie, your voice of reason is needed most at the point when the Secretariat desk is naked.
The South African Communist Party lowers its banner in honor of the epitome of a life well lived by the late Deputy Secretary of the ANC, Comrade Jessie Duarte, who was a member of the SABC in good standing at the time of her demise.
So she's been an activist from the early stages of development of activists like myself. She nurtured me from that stage.
To read this particular scripture, it says, if we live, we live for the Lord. And if we die for the Lord. Therefore, whether we live or we die, we belong to God.
As revolutionaries and as a revolutionary movement, we really exist to serve the people. It's what justifies our existence.
As the ANC and our friends in the diaspora, we want to join the family, friends, and every other South African in mourning the passing away of Comrade Jessie.
Duarte o phomoditswe bolokong ba hae ba o qetela ka Sontaha se fetileng mme ba lelapa la hae ba re o thusitse batho ba bangata ka hona a keke a lebalwa jwalo ka moitseki wa ntwa ya tikoloho.